Two employees working for the Larry Gist Texas State Jail in Beaumont, Texas, have been arrested. According to preliminary affidavits, it all began when TDCJ investigators received a tip that someone working at the Gist unit was possibly bringing in contraband. After the investigators viewed the surveillance footage, they found correctional officer 20-year-old Aisha Thomas giving an inmate what appeared to be papers. Later, investigators would confirm that those papers were laced with PCP. During an interview with Thomas, she admitted that she was offered $1,250 to bring those papers into the jail. Thomas was taken into custody and booked into the Jefferson County Detention Center, where she is being charged with bribery and prohibited substance in a correctional facility, which both are second-degree felonies. Then on December 23rd, TDCJ investigators were contacted again while they were en route to the Gist unit. Someone stating that the staff was investigating another employee that they thought was bringing contraband into the jail. That is when investigators interviewed 37-year-old Jillian Hopkin, who is the substance abuse counselor at the Gist unit. Now, during that interview, Hopkin did admit that she had been approached twice by an inmate and offered $1,000 to bring papers into the jail. She stated that after the second time she had thought about it, reached out to the inmate, and agreed to do so. Hopkins stated around the 18th or the 19th of December, someone the inmate knew gave her papers to bring into the jail. She was also given $1,000 that was sent to her by Zelle. Investigator did escort Hopkins to her home, where she admitted the rest of the papers were located. Hopkins was then taken into custody and booked into the Jefferson County Detention Center. But during her search, jailers also found 10 cigarettes, rolling papers, and papers laced with cannabis in her underwear. Hopkins is also being charged with bribery and a prohibited substance in a correctional facility. Now, if either one of these women are convicted of these crimes, they are facing 2 to 20 years in jail. They are also facing a $10,000 fine. Now, Thomas's bond has been set for $15,000 apiece. It has not been made public if or there has been a bond set for Hopkins yet. So, well, y'all know what that means. We're just going to have to wait and see what happens.